How to fix CoD Modern Warfare 2 timed out waiting for Datacenters error. Wolters, Francis. 1. Keep pressing the retry button. 2. Quit, reboot your console then relaunch the app on your device. 3. Check Modern Warfare 2 server status. 4. Check your network connection. 5. Update the game. 6. Clear cache. 6.1 PC, delete items in %10%. 6.2 console users. Shut down your machine, remove its power socket, wait for a few minutes, reinstall power socket, repower on your PS5. 7. Restart system. 8. Uninstall and reinstall the game. 9. Contact Modern Warfare 2 support.